comprising the Kyoto Station building and the surrounding blocks. The Kyoto Station area is not exactly a sightseeing destination, but odds are you'll wind up spending some time here. The Shinkansen bullet train, the Haruka Airport Express train, and several other train lines all operate out of Kyoto. Kyoto is Japan's most elegant city, where its cultural traditions are best preserved. Here we expect to find wooden townhouses on lantern-lit lanes, ancient shrines and temples, stately palaces, and meditative gardens. So a first-time visitor to Kyoto might well be surprised by the sight of the bride. Kyoto Tower. A cheerful beacon of 1960s optimism, Kyoto Tower stands at 131 meters high from its base to the tip of its spire, and it is the tallest structure in Kyoto. As such, it dominates the skyline and can be spotted from many of the sightseeing locations around the city. For a little over 50 wide,
love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just open up. Don't be scared.
every year, from November until the end of March, Kyoto Station hosts a constant display of magnificent lights, or as they're called in Japan, illuminations. Also, only until Christmas Day, the station puts on special Christmas-themed illuminations as well.
And I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.